Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? We're back at it again.
Trusty old screwdriver.
We haven't done anything in a while, but we've both been grinding stupid hard, and I'll show you why. So Lewis, there's a car, this truck parked over there.
No, I sold it. It's sold.
Supposedly he has sold it. So there's that.
I sold it to a crackhead for $200.
And so you want to tell him what vehicle you have now?
Truck.
Yep. That's the new daily. So those were the cinematic shots.
Hopefully they came out good.
I don't know if they came out good, guys. I haven't recorded in a while. You're fucking ugly.
I know.
So now what he wants to do, because we have nothing better to do. He's got a lot of parts for this already. I got a lot of parts for my cord already. Just wait on it. Wait on this. Wait on the truck. Anthony's getting ready to do things to his car as well. And so today what we want to do, or he wants to do to his truck, I mean his car. His truck. We talk about the truck so damn much. But what he wants to do is, I don't know if we'll be able to finish it today, but what he wants to do is put wood in the trunk.
No, that's not the first mod.
What do you mean that's not the first mod?
First mod, we gotta measure our pee-pee so we make sure we fit in the car. Come on.
Yo.
Be hella stance, boy. That's all I know.
So this is what he picked up. Bruised hardwood floors. Throw it in there.
It was whatever that was on sale.
You think we'll be able to finish this today?
Yeah.
You think it'll be fast? It's gonna take us all day.
Nah.
Well, anyways. Alright, so already it's been a couple seconds. Not even a couple seconds. Yeah, like a couple seconds, and he's already like...
I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. Because I still have to figure out how to keep it leveled. And I still have to cut off all the ends. And then I want a small piece in here. Or I'll probably get like a little handle for there. That'll be cool.
Oh, they're pretty dope.
So I can just...
Alright, bet. Keep it going, bro. Alright, this is what we got so far. So I'm gonna let him explain to you what he's gonna do.
Basically, we're just gonna take out the surrounding trim pieces. And then cut chunks to go in the gaps here, 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 around the border, just like the Mexicans, and
That's so deep.
and up there, and then it's gonna look hella dope. But this is almost what it's gonna look like.
It already looks pretty dope.
And then hardwood floor, and then throw 2 12s in there with a small box, and then I can still fit Miguel in here if I ever need to.
What the fuck? Alright guys, so what we're doing now is taking out the trim so we can start race car life, you know what I'm saying? He's already going gutted. Accord life.
This moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Anyways, we're taking out the trim so we can really start getting the look of the wood and everything, getting everything cut perfectly. You watching? Alright, so he made his marks where he's gonna cut. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But right there, over there, just so that when he lays this down, sorry guys, just so when he lays it down, this part right here where it arches upwards kind of, doesn't like leave it angled. It'll sit flat. I'm not entirely sure how, well, I'm not entirely sure how he's gonna fucking cut this. He's thinking about using one of those, one of the blades, the saw blades. But to get everything perfectly, you're gonna cut way over. I told him to get a Dremel, but he doesn't want to buy one. He thinks it's gonna work his way. I'm not sure, but we'll see what happens. So So I guess he really did find what we needed to cut with. It's one of these. I don't even know what the fuck this shit's called. I guess it's a saw. Drill master. I guess that's what it says. I'm not sure, but hopefully it's even sharp enough.
I cut the box I made for the truck.
Okay, I believe you. Forget it. I believe you. Ooh. You're wildin', bro.
Why do you think I waited till it stopped? Always wear eye protection.
Alright guys, so this is how far we've gotten. It's been maybe like half hour.
Half hour, yeah.
Hour, some change, something like that. So this part, hold on, move this real quick. This is what we've done so far, just this part. And it's turning out pretty good. Let me grab the light real quick, guys. So far this is how it's gotten. We've got to cut a piece for that part right there. We're going to do later on. Also, a piece right here. Gotta do it tighter. Right now, we're just really trying to just get the base of it like done, so it's all one solid piece. We gotta put a piece underneath it and make it flat, and it's just gonna take a little bit. But keep watching, guys. How far we've gotten so far. Who said we can't do nothing, yo?
You.
Shut the fuck up. I ain't saying nothing. I don't know what you talking about. I don't even know this guy, bro. What you talking about? What you talking about? That hairline, bro. Look at that hairline. Look at that haircut, bro.
Nigga, what?
Look at that haircut.
I'm tight
bro.
at the nigga who fucking cut my hair yesterday.
Why?
He fucking made one side higher. I'm tight.
Is he?
I think it's this side that's higher, right? Well, I'm gonna go to one of the females at the salon and be like, can you?
Yo, why you look like you got the Snooki bump? But so far, guys, it's coming out good.
Nice and tight. How I like her.
Puerco asqueroso.
I said it. Oh,
Nice.
fuck, I just lost that pen.
You don't need the pen. We got a white marker. Fuck that shit. Coilovers?
Fuck a bitch on the hardwood floor.
That's so D. So that's how it's coming up, guys. We just gotta maybe like a couple more pieces.
2 or 3.
Like 2 or 3 more pieces, and we should be done. It's coming out dope. And then we gotta just see how it looks with the sub in it and everything when it's finally done. When it's done, we'll do that shit after. Fucking A, it's getting cold. This dude wants to do the freaking most.
And you want to sit home all day?
That's a lie. Listen, you don't work as much as I do, asshole. Yup. Mm-hmm.
Suck my dick. Go take care of your kid.
What kid?
The one you were taking care of earlier.
That's my nephew, you asshole. Ladies are gonna love this.
Look at him.
Wow. Why are you wilding for? You know, it's the funny thing. You look like a female yourself.
But you get it in the ass.
You get it in the ass. What you talking? For all you know.
I just fell. Fuck this.
My friend is available. He likes it in the butt. Just saying.
Nah, that's you.
That's you, bro.
You talking about Anthony? Come on, man.
Yo, Anthony, we were not
That's why
supposed
he's
to
not
tell everyone that Anthony. He hasn't even came out yet, man. Leave him alone.
Anthony still like it in the butt.
Damn, this just coming out nice, bro. Precision as he lays the wood down. Aw, fuck. Oh my god. So nice.
Stassi.
Steezy, not Stassi.
Get in, puta.
That's how it came out, guys. That shit came out.
That looks way better over video.
Way better. Came out sick, dude.
All
Just
I
like little shit that we gotta fix, but
I'm gonna do this corner real quick, cause that's a little easy piece. This corner, I should be able to do it. I'm gonna pin up that real quick.
Shit came out dope, bro. When you take a picture of this, send it to me and I'll post it on my Instagram.
This is basically gonna be like the sneak peek on my Instagram because I'm not gonna post it on Instagram yet till I register it.
So it's beastie. Well, guys, we just worked all the bugs. Everything's sitting flat.
And the guy's bitching that it's cold.
And it's fucking cold. But this guy wants to insist and keep freaking going. Fuck that. I'm gone. It is too cold. It's like, I don't even know how many fucking degrees, but it is freezing. Shut the fuck up. It's colder than that. Anyways, floor's done. And he'll show you it tomorrow. We'll show you it tomorrow. In broad daylight. Yeah, guys.